guys, what's up? There's a bat.
I don't know if it's stuck or what. But I saw its face.
It looks like it's stuck.
Which one? I'm zoomed in.
Make sure you don't show my face, Kendon.
No.
I'm filming this for YouTube.
Oh, I see it.
But it sounds like a bird.
Yeah, that sounds like a
Why does it sound like a bird?
But it's a bat.
It's a skinwalker bat.
There's probably a bird in there, but it's also a bird.
Oh, no.
What is coming out?
I was lying.
I got it.
No, it looks like it's actually coming out.
I know, it does actually look like it.
The face peeked out.
If that thing comes out.
I can. Let's move in. Let's move in. Let's move in. Alright, move. Sit beside me. Oh!
You can like see like.
No, I think that's a bird.
No, that's a bat. You can see its face.
It's a cat.
That's a
not
cat.
It has bird. It looks like.
You can see the finger right there.
Oh, yep, that's a bat.
That's a bat.
Oh, it's trapped.
That's a baby bat. That's trapped.
It's trapped.
Bat.
It's looking at us.
Oh shit.
No.
That's so.
Oh my god. That thing's looking. It's looking at us.
Okay, but here.
It's looking at us.
Where you at?
Please don't get unstuck.
Oh my god, I swear to god if this thing.
Well, I do want it to get unstuck.
What?
It's escaping. It's getting unstuck. Look. Oh no. Look at the hand.
Oh my god, what?
The hand.
Oh god.
It's almost escaped. Why does it sound like a bat? It's a skinwalker bat.
You mean why does it sound like a cat?
No,
I
it's
mean a bird. I mean
yeah.
a bird.
Why does it sound like a bird?
That thing got
What the
fire.
heck? That's fire. Yo, that's fire.
No, that's not. That's a jet.
That looks like fire.
God.
Why are you so scared?
Oh, it's
Oh god.
Oh,
Yo, back up.
What is that?
That's cat, bro. No, that's not cat. That's real.
What is that?
Oh my god, it looks like a fish.
what? What?
It's a bat or a bird or a what now?
It's a skinwalker bat.
Oh my god, if it was holy poop.
It's that.
Oh my god, what is that? It's getting out. Oh god, it's getting out.
What?
I grabbed its feather. Exactly, I think there's a bird in there. I think they're fighting with the bat.
Oh, I just realized the hand's gone. It escaped.
No, there's a face. Go a big face. No, that's a big face. That's an adult bat. We be running.
Hell yeah. Right?
It's a bat. It's a bat.
No.
Oh hell no! It's
If
if it gets out, we better be running. I
don't
want it. I'm glad that thing might have had it. No, no.
Oh,
it's
shit.
It's gonna get you sick. I'm so scared.
Wait, hold on. I think I know. I'm gonna irritate it.
I'm scared to go near it. Now that I know it's a bat. Oh hell no.
There's something.
But be careful because that is their house.
Oh.
Did you know
I missed completely.
You missed? Did you know that birds? No, I was gonna say something about bats. Did you know that bats, when they're flying, they look like birds?
I'm gonna throw a tube at it.
Good, dude.
Listen to it.
Imagine if it came out from... I just saw something. I know, that's it. This is bad. You gotta make a lot of... No, but listen, that thing has 4 eyes.
Why does it have 4 eyes? What?
I know he just said 4. Yo, that thing has 4 eyes.
There's no way that thing has 4 eyes.
No, that had 4 eyes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yo, this is getting
No, Bum.
This is getting real.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's trying to No, it's trying to sleep. I saw it sleep. It was like this. It's like this. It's trying to go to sleep, you guys. You guys, we gotta be quiet. We gotta go.
No, it's wait.
Did you see that? That thing just moved. It just moved. Oh yeah, that's a bat.
We gotta
that's
run.
a
We gotta
bat.
freaking run.
Yeah, it's like super. That's a bat. That's a bat.
Do not throw that.
Why do you do that?
This hand just moved down.
That was big, Louise.
Oh no!
Oh hell! There's some bats in there. Ah, he's lifting up the roof.
Yeah, I saw that. It's moving. It's moving. It's freaking moving.
I'm moving up.
It's moving.
Come on, bat, attack us! Stop fake whistling.
I don't want. I'm scared. Why are you so scared?
Watch out.
I am. Sorry. The bat.
There's a bat. Be careful.
There's a bat in the roof up there.
I can't tell if that's
And
a
it's
bat
about to
or
break that
a
thing.
bird.
Yeah, it's about to wake up.
Wait.
We saw it. I think it's trying to go to sleep.
Huh? Right there.
Bat?
Oh my god, what is that?
What?
That?
And I'm gonna hide. I'm so scared.
Bro,
I'm
what?
hiding your hood. Girl, you're not hiding.
Where?
I want this thing to come at us so bad.
I know, I do.
Oh my god, it's
God. Oh my god, it's like 2.
If this thing comes at me, it'll be better content.
It's just dipping and coming.
Come on.
Mommy, I saw you when I was leaving this door.
Yo, come on.
Come on, yo. Come on.
Come on.
Yo, come on.
An attack?
Come on, yo. Yeah. Come on. Come on.
Why is it chirping?
I don't know. I'm telling you, something wrong. I'm gonna run. Shut the
Oh shit.
What?
I didn't even know you were there.
I'm gonna start. That's how scared I am. You scared me.
Come on.
Yo, right there. It's right here.
Oh shit.
No.
I'm starting to see a 3D.
Oh shit.
That shit's trying to come out. Yo,
Yo, don't show my face. Don't show me, Kenton.
that's a bird. That's a bird.
Kenton, make sure you don't show my face.
Yeah, I saw it.
Kenton, make sure you don't show my face.
I'm not.
Oh! No!
It's a bird.
That,
Bird?
it's
Yeah, it's a bird.
a bird.
No. That could also be a bat, though. There could be a bat in here with it. Let's see, that's great. I saw. I have him. Yeah.
There.
Oh my god, I see the fucking hand touching the stick.
What the fuck? No! It's wing.
It's sitting here with a bat.
Yo.
I gotta show this. I gotta put this on YouTube.
Don't show my face, Kenton.
Then watch out. It's zoomed in anyways.
That's a. It's a bird. It's a bird. I see a.
It's a bird.
I see. It's a. It's a bird. It's a bird. Nope, I see it.
There's a bat. There's a bat.
Wait, there's 2?
Look at that. That's a bat. That's a bat.
There's a bat and a bird.
That is a bat.
There's a bat and a bird.
Yo.
There's no way. Please.
No, bat. A bird and a bat. And the bat is eating the bird. The bat's eating the bird.
The bird's yelling. Yo, the bird's.
Yo, if that thing comes out, I'm flying.
I'm running into the street if that thing comes out.
I want to get it. It was so fast.
Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. I don't know what sound I just made. I tried to make a bat noise. That was not. It's saying help, 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 help. No. That thing is. I'm out here.
No, I'm not. The bird's getting bitten by the bat. The bat is literally chomping down on that bird. Hitting the bird.
What is happening in there? The bat can't eat. The bat doesn't eat it. It sucks the blood out of it.
It's sucking the blood out of it.
Does the bat have rabies?
Yes, I do. The bat has rabies.
That's a bird. That's a bird. That's the bird trying to escape. That's the bird. Kenton, come here. That's a bird. Yeah. It's a bird. It's a bird. Look, it's a bird. If you come from the side, you can see. I seen its beak. I seen its beak.
Don't touch it. Don't keep it on here. Watch out.
Here.
It looks like it's getting.
In there.
It looks like it's getting. Where?
In that hole right there.
It looks like it's getting like bitten or something. It looks like something's biting it.
All right. Yeah. I'm done.
Something's biting.
All right. Anyway, guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video for more like this. But anyway, guys, bye.